Do you want to upload a long, full-size image on Instagram without it getting cropped? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you the best way to post tall, vertical, or panoramic photos while keeping their original quality. No more awkward cropping or losing important details. As you can see, I have a long image which I'll want to upload to Instagram, but if I tap on these two arrows in order to make the photo bigger, it's still getting cropped and it doesn't let me to upload the full-size photo. So I'm going to show you a little trick. Exit the Instagram app and then go over to google.com in any web browser. In the Google search bar, you'll want to type square image and then hit enter on your keyboard. We're looking for this website right here, and I'm going to make sure to leave the website link in the description of this video so you can access the right website. Once you're on this website, simply choose an image from your photo gallery and then wait a second or two until the photo uploads. Your photo will be converted into a square format which we'll use for Instagram, and it won't be cropped or anything similar. I have the full-length photo, which is just what I need for Instagram. I'll then download this image from the website and then save it to my photo gallery. The last step is to open the Instagram app and then select the photo which we had just converted. That is how you can upload full-size, long images on Instagram without cropping. Check out my Instagram playlist in the description of the video so you can see more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.